So Quest Industries was started in 2001. It started as a prototype machining house, focusing on complex, low-volume, detail machine jobs. We've since kind of morphed into a production plastic injection tooling source. So we still do a lot of detail machining, and that's kind of why Quest is interesting, because we have a split business, 50-50. We can do everything inside of Quest. We do design, we do Moldflow, we program, we cut the molds, we assemble the tools, we have quality department for inspections. We can also have the capability of running the prototype tools, and eventually we're going to be running production tooling here in Quest.
Last year we made about 265 molds total, prototype and production. It's been the biggest growth aspect of our business. Basically the name of the game for us is diversity and different industries and different markets.
In the past few years, we've been focusing more on higher complexity tools being two-shot